We're pulled up on Snake Island in beautiful Sarasota, Florida. There are no snakes here. Dublin enjoying the water. It's good, Debbie? What is that? Go see what that is. What is it? I found a shell with something that was living in it, so now it's dead. And Debbie was checking it out. Go see that, Debbie? What's in there? Go see what's in there. Dublin, go see what's in there. Go see? Let's go see. What's in it? Let's go see, Dublin. What is in it, Dublin? Yuck. You go get it. You go get it. You tell him. Go get it, Dublin. Oh. I have a huge conch shell that I found down on the Florida Keys a year or so ago. Unfortunately, a creature was dead inside, so you can take it if it's dead. And even to this day, when I take it from my desk on the floor, Dublin goes nuts. It's about 10 times bigger than this. Go get it, Dublin. Yuck. This does stink because it is dead, poor thing. You gonna take him in the water, Dublin? Oh, he's nasty. Go swimming? You go get him first. Whoa, yuck, yuck. You go put him in the water? Let's go put him in the water. You go put him in the water? Let's see what happens when we put him in the water. Uh-oh. This place is just off the Gulf of Mexico. And we're very lucky to be here. Where'd it go, Dublin? You tell him. Gonna go swimming? Gonna go swimming? Get him, get him. You go get him. What's that? Oh, oh. Oh yeah. The monster shell with a dead crab inside. What do you think, Dublin? We could do this forever now. It's just so beautiful here. Lucky. Tuesday afternoon, and we worked all weekend, so we get to enjoy the beautiful waterway. And there's my husband. It's his birthday today. And back to Dublin. Let's go for walks, Dublin. Let's go walk down here. No. We have the nasty dead crab. Say bye-bye. Yeah. Oh, that's the wrong thing, you stoop. Behind you. Over here. Let me see that face first. Let me see that face. Where is it? Oh, there's a good face. Good face shot. Want to see him? Here he goes. You ready? There he is. Look. Right here. Right here. Right here, Debbie. Not the best eyesight. Where did he go? There he is. Look. Here. Here. Dublin, look. Right there. See him? Okay, this turned into a very long video. Oh. Okay. Well, this is how Dublin gets to enjoy the water. And the boating. So anyone in the area, let us know. We'd love to take you and your bully out and have some fun. You're leaving him alone, Dublin? Yeah. Mm-hmm.